What's up guys? Today we are in North Las Vegas and we are in the community of Fullerton Cove by Richmond American. And for today's property tour, we're gonna be checking out this home right behind me, guys. Floor plan maple. Also guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you want to stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area, consider subscribing, tap that bell for notification. That way you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Also guys, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move, and we love it. So whether you're 7 days, 90 days, 6 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. We'll be glad to help you make that smooth transition. Now let's get started.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who
All right guys, so here we have floor plan maple, and we are in the community of Fullerton Cove by Richmond American. They do have 4 different floor plans, or I should say models here available, but they do have 9 total floor plans that you can pick from. Obviously, not all of them are modeled, but that is something to keep in mind. So if you don't like any of these 4, they have 5 other floor plans to pick from. But they do just have 4 modeled. But for today's property tour, we're just gonna be focusing on floor plan maple just to keep these videos shorter. Also, I just did a property tour on that one, on floor plan birch. So if you wanna check it out, I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen. All right, guys, so here's maple. This one, also, before I actually get started, guys, so right now the builder are only selling these homes as spec'd. What does that mean for you? That means that they are selling them early. They pick out the upgrades for you guys, and the lot premium is included in today's price that is mentioned. So you will have the base price, your upgrades, and your lot premiums all included in today's price. So this one is a 3 to 4 bedroom. As modeled, it is a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath to up to 3.5. It is 2,500 square feet, 2-car garage, and spec'd out price right now as of making this video, it is $554,950. Like I mentioned, there is a total of 9 different floor plans here available with 4 different elevations, meaning 4 different looks on your front of your home, but the builder will be picking those out for you. The sales agent did mention that they are adding about, I would say about 10% in upgrades to that base price. And you know, average lot premium here is around 7,500 square feet. I mean, $7,500 for your lot premiums. But the price for today, with all that included, is that $554,950. So enough of me talking, and let's go inside and take a look. So you do have pavers in your driveway. There's your 2-car garage. I like how it has a little front porch right there, so you could come out and just relax, just chill, be a nosy neighbor. I'm kidding. Also, if you're not too familiar where this community is located, it is in North Las Vegas, just off of the 215. All right, let's go inside. So you do have your pavers right here. You like how it has those stones all throughout the bottom level of this home. Look at that. Also, another thing to keep in mind, this is just a model home. They usually are heavily upgraded. The sales agent did say they're pretty similar to what they're selling them at now. But no guarantees, guys. So I'm just gonna be showing you, and just know some features may not be included with the spec homes. So as soon as you come in, you'll notice a staircase that goes up to the 2nd floor. You have your ceramic tile flooring. You got 9-foot ceilings on that side of the home, but right here, you know it's probably about 20-foot ceilings. Then here to the left, You do have a coat closet and storage closet. Look at the size of this. Really nice. Then here you have your half bath. And then right over here you have your kitchen. This door right here is locked, but this would be to your 2-car garage. Here you have your kitchen, your quartz countertop, got the white cabinet with the stainless steel handles, got your built-in microwave oven, your refrigerator, and right here to the right is your pantry. Check it out, guys. What do you guys think of this kitchen? You got your stainless steel undermount sink, got your dishwasher right here, countertop stove, 5 burners, your pot filler, stainless steel hood. On this one it has the tile backsplash. Check that out. Let's see if these are soft close. Not soft close. So it looks like you have the GE package of appliances. Really nice. Let me give you guys a look from here. That's where we entered, right over there. There's your pantry. This one actually has a primary bedroom downstairs. So if you're looking with 2-story home with primary downstairs, stay tuned. So before we check out the dining area and living room, let me show you the pantry. So here's your pantry. So you do have the dual doors. Good size pantry. Here we have the dining room area. So it lies between your living room and your kitchen. It's right in between. What do you guys think? Then right over here, you have your living room. So I did check out this floor plan in Summerlin. What I did notice is, since you do have the primary here downstairs, definitely takes a lot of space of this living room area. So if you notice, let me back up, it is pretty narrow. I mean, just imagine if this wall was in here, how much more open it would be down here. But, you know, for you people looking for a primary downstairs, this is the layout you'll have. Before we actually, this backyard, let's just check out the primary before we go to the backyard. So before we go to the primary, let me show you guys, you got a linen closet right here. Then right over here, you got your primary bedroom. It's a good sized primary too. As you look at those nightstands, I mean, those are easy, what, about 3 feet nightstands. You easily have about, I don't know, on this side, you know, about 4 feet, I would say, give or take. And to give you perspective, this is a king size bed right here. And you still have plenty of room. Look at that. Let me show you guys from this side of the room. Let's go check out the primary bathroom. So you'll notice you do have ceramic tile flooring, your dual vanity, same color scheme as the kitchen for the cabinets and countertop. Look at that, guys. Not a big fan of wallpaper, but this one actually is pretty nice. Then right over here, the light is a little dark, but you do have your stand-up shower with the bench, tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. You also have the nice waterfall shower head right there. And then very nice. Let me give you guys a view from here. You got your bench. Really nice. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments below. Then right over here to the left, you have your toilet and your walk-in closet with a stackable washer and dryer, guys. So this is pretty smart because the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs. So to have to do laundry upstairs and bring down your laundry here to the first level may be a bit inconvenient for a lot of people. So what do? They have a stackable washer and dryer in your primary. Very thoughtful, in my opinion. But look at this, guys. Let me see, I believe Closet Las Vegas did this. I don't know. Something, it looks like their work, but very nice, custom, organized closet. Now let's go check out the backyard. So average lot size here is around 4,000 square foot lots. Not too big, guys. And they are included with this price, guys, of that I mentioned, $554,950. You got your upgrades and your lot premiums all in that price. But this one actually definitely feels like a little bigger lot just because you got that side right over there. I'll show you guys in just a second. But you got this nice covered patio. Keep in mind, guys, you're not gonna get this landscaping, you're just gonna get a clean slate. You know, if you do get a home that does have the covered patio, what you will get is just the pavers that are underneath right here, and then beyond that, you're just gonna get dirt. So something to keep in mind, guys. But look at this backyard, guys. What do you guys think? Is this too small, too big for you? Let me know. Some people absolutely need big backyards. Some people don't. Everybody prefers something different. So let me know what you prefer in the comments below. Big backyard, standard. You don't care if you get a small. Some people want low maintenance. I don't blame you guys, because once you start getting a lot of plants and it becomes more of a bigger maintenance, and sometimes you can't do it your own, and then you have to hire out landscapers to take care of it for you. But here it is, guys. Oh, so look at that. Right over there is the 215. Look at that, guys. You can't see it from here, but you do got the VA hospital right over there. Look at that. Definitely a lot of construction going on in North Las Vegas. I always tell people, check out North Las Vegas, at least like the newer end of North Las Vegas. They definitely got a lot going on. And for the most part, what I tend to see, and what we all see, is you get more bang for your money. What does that mean? Bigger house for your money, guys. Sometimes, you know, it depends, right? But for the most part, that's what we do see. So you get a bigger house for the money, versus if you go to the Summerlin, you'll get a smaller house and pay big money. All right. Let's see. Close this door. All right, let's go upstairs and check out the second floor. There we go. You got a loft with this one. Nice size loft at that, in my opinion. What's that, guys? 9-foot ceilings here on the second level. This one would be typically your option to have that fourth bedroom, but as modeled, it is a 3-bedroom, so you'll get the loft with the 3-bedroom. This one has the window facing the front. Check it out. I'll give you guys a view from this angle. Nice. Look at all those windows too. You got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice little like study area, desk area. Really nice. Okay. So we do have that primary bedroom that is downstairs. So you got room number 2 and 3. This would have been your option for that 4th bedroom, but you got the loft. So we'll start off right here. Here's your laundry room. Turn the light. Actually looks like the light bulb is out. So you got the sink, all the cabinet storage, ceramic tile flooring. Then right across, right over here, you do have your full bathroom. Ceramic tile flooring, white cabinets, stainless steel handles, quartz countertop, dual vanity. Then you got your tub, stand-up shower. Let me give you guys a view from here. So if you guys are enjoying this property tour, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming property tour videos. All right, now let's go check out the primary. But before we do, let's knock out, actually no, not the primary. We already did look at it, that's downstairs, the other 2 bedrooms. Here's your linen closet. Just so used to most of the primaries being upstairs. So here is the 2nd bedroom. Good size. I mean, look at this. This is almost like having a primary bedroom size. You also have a walk-in closet. Look at this, guys. What do you guys think? This is definitely a nice oversized bedroom in my opinion. And here's your walk-in closet. Also guys, quick thing, if you're considering a new build and you want outside representation, maybe from a realtor like me, or the one you got in mind is super critical, we tag along on that first visit. If not, the builders got this rule, well, they won't let us step in later. Now, you might wonder, why go with an outside realtor? Well, all about you. We bring unbiased advice, we focus on your best interest, and we negotiate with only your needs in mind. Builders, realtors are great, but they represent the builder first, so just a heads up. Now, let's go look at that last bedroom, number 3. And these are both really good sized bedroom, guys, as you can see. That's about a queen size bed. I mean, you could have definitely gone a king and still have plenty of room. Give you guys a view from here. Also with the walk-in closet. Check it out. What do you guys think? You know, the attic access in here, nice. That way sometimes they put them right in the hallways, and I don't really like when they do that, and sometimes they put them in the spots where they're supposed to be, like closets like that, hide them. All right guys, well this concludes this property tour. If you guys enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming property tours. Until next time guys.